Alright, we walked inside the room. This is it. Ooh, at least there's different kind of juices. But this is not good at all. I guess they're making it grab and go because of COVID. That's sad though. Yeah, okay. What's in there? Okay. Not the most excited, but I guess grab the whole Pop-Tart thing. Let's just take this elephant. Let's go. Oh, there's only 2 left anyways. We are on a walk. We're just by our apartment, or what is it called? Hotel. We are walking above the interstate. This is crazy. I'm actually kind of scared.
Me too, but one of us gotta be brave.
Come on, Dibbies.
Are you gonna go first or me?
Oh, those are big steps, Mal. Those are
think
big steps.
I don't think you can make it up in Logan.
Wow, that's actually kind of scary.
Hey, do you wanna hold her?
Yeah, that's big steps. All right, look at this, guys. This is actually pretty. Yeah, it's pretty scary. This is like they're going like 80 miles an hour underneath us. Okay, probably not that much. Really? Downtown is that way, guys. Downtown. No, I want to make it across. Back at the apartment really quick. Why do I keep calling it the apartment? We're back at the, what is this called? A hotel. We made this little cage for them because they do bark a little bit when someone passes and it's getting annoying. I don't want anyone to be like, hey, this place is being too loud. And this is a small bathroom. They could probably hear everything. So we're gonna put them all over here in the corner. And then we're gonna turn up like the TV, like just play it on some random's channel. Turn it up a little bit so they can't hear anything. And yeah, and then we're gonna go to the Mall of America. Yeah. So yeah, see you there.
Alright guys, we are just now coming into the Mall of America.
And I'm not gonna lie, I about got in a car crash again.
It was literally only a 2-minute drive here though.
And I about got in a car crash again.
Again.
There's cops everywhere. Dad, hey, get out of my way, please.
I mean, you need to be with them.
Wait, which one do I go?
I don't know. Just go left.
You don't care where we park?
No, I don't even understand.
Okay, I don't either. Shit, what's happening?
Oh shit.
I don't... This is scary. This is really scary, guys. So we're at the west parking. I don't understand. Is that fine? Mm-hmm. Look at that. We're at the west parking.
I'm gonna record this so we don't forget where we parked.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh my god.
Way.
This is insane.
Okay, so do I go in here? Can my car fit? That's the real problem, because that looks really close to the...
Speed through it and it won't hit you.
No, you go slow.
Oh, it hit you.
That's really close one.
I'm kidding.
Okay. guys, so Elton and I just went on the SpongeBob plunge right there. Deadass, the scariest thing in the entire world. That was my face. It was the scariest thing in the entire world, not gonna lie. What do you think? The scariest part was going straight up. Like, I felt like I was gonna fall out the back. Did you? Good thing I have that thick thighs that kept me in the seat.
Part was going upside down and I felt my thighs come off the ground. I was like, oh shit.
Like, look, then it does a loopy-loop. It was scary as crap. We got one more roller coaster, and then we're done.
Well,
So,
then we're gonna go to the mirror.
Mirror maze, yeah. See ya.